I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on today. So today we're checking out Humphreys Peak. We got here around 7 a.m. but as soon as we did get here, there were cars arriving and the parking lot filled up in a matter of around 30 minutes. So here we are on the trail, and as you can see, it is covered in snow. We did put on micro spikes earlier before we started the trail, but we don't want it to get too late. This hike is expected to take about 6 hours, 5 hours round trip. So let's get started. All right, guys, we just reached 11,400 feet in elevation, and I think we're about to reach one of the 3 false summits, and hopefully we'll be at the top soon within the next hour. But check this out, we are pretty high up here. Let's keep going. Sometimes nature calls. We've been hiking all day. It's been a few hours so far. We had many slips, many falls, but we're gonna go ahead and conquer this because I can see it from here and it's looking right at me. So let's push on and we'll see you guys at the top. Almost there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we finally reached the peak. This was a beast of a hike. The elevation was getting to me. I was getting kind of dizzy, lightheaded, so we had to take multiple breaks. But we are going to head back down now because it's going to take a couple hours to get back down to the car. I hope you all enjoyed. See you guys next time.